નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, સ્વાગત છે તમારું તમારી પોતાની યુટ્યુબ ચેનલ માય ક્લાસમાં. આજે આપણે ભણીશું ધોરણ 9 વિષય ઇંગ્લિશ ગાલા સ્વાધ્યાય પોથીમાં યુનિટ 4 કોલ ઓફ ધ હિલ્સ ટેકરીઓનું આકર્ષણ. ચાલો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, પ્રશ્ન નંબર 1 ચાલુ કરીશું. રીડ ધ એક્સ્ટ્રેક્ટ્સ એન્ડ આન્સર ધ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ. ફકરો વાંચો અને પ્રશ્નોના જવાબ આપો. પેલો ફકરો વાંચી જાઓ ધ્યાનથી અને પ્રશ્ન જવાબ લખીશું. પેલું છે, વાય વોઝ ગોવિંદા વરીડ? તો લખો ગોવિંદા વોઝ વરીડ બીકોઝ અબુ મિયા વોઝ સિટિંગ અલોન એન્ડ લુકિંગ સેડ. બીજું, વે ડીડ કલુઆ ગો? તો લખો કલુઆ વેન્ટ અપ ધ હિલ. ત્રીજું, આઈ હેવ લોસ્ટ હર. વાય ડીડ અબુ મિયા સે ધીસ? તો લખો અબુ મિયા સેડ ધીસ બીકોઝ હી સો કલુઆસ ફૂટપ્રિન્ટ્સ ગોઈંગ અપ ધ હિલ એન્ડ સો ધ ડેવિલ ધેર મસ્ટ હેવ કિલ્ડ હર. બીજા ફકરાનો જવાબ લખીશું. પેલું, વાય વોઝ અબુ ખાન ઇઝ ટીયર્સ? તો લખો અબુ ખાન વોઝ ઇન ટીયર્સ બીકોઝ કલુઆ હેડ બ્રોકન ધ સીટિંગ એન્ડ ડિસઅપિયર્ડ ઇન ધ નાઇટ. બીજું, વોટ ડીડ અબુ ખાન ગીવ કલુઆ ટુ ગેટ? તો લખો અબુ ખાન ગેવ કલુઆ ગ્રીન જ્યુસી grass and tasty grains to eat. ત્રીજું, which word in the passage is the opposite of appeared? તો લખો disappeared. ત્રીજો ફકરો વાંચો, જવાબ લખીશું. પેલું છે, describe the new goat bought by Abu Mia. તો લખો the new goat was pretty white as snow, had 2 little horns and a pair of lovely bright red eyes. બીજું લખો, what did Abu Khan call the goat? તો લખો Abu Khan called the goat ચાંદની. તો લખો ત્રીજું, why did Abu Khan call the goat ચાંદની? તો લખો Abu Khan called the goat ચાંદની because she was pretty and white as snow. હવે ચોથા ફકરાનો જવાબ, who was Govinda? તો લખો Govinda was Abu Mia's neighbor. બીજું, what was Abu Mia doing? તો લખો Abu Mia was talking to ચાંદની, his only family member. ત્રીજું, how did Abu Chacha look to Govinda? તો લખો અબુ ચાચા looked happy and healthy to Govinda. ચોથું, અબુ ચાચા was happy because ચાંદી loved him a lot and even he could not live without her. પાંચમું, which word in the passage means very happy? તો being with joy. ચાલો હવે પાંચમા પેરેગ્રાફનો જવાબ લખીશું. What was Abu Mia telling ચાંદની? તો લખો Abu Mia was telling ચાંદની about Kalua's sad end at the teat of the devil on the hill. બીજું, according to Abu Chacha, why would Chandni never leave him? તો લખો according to Abu Chacha, Chandni would never leave him because she was understanding and happy with him. ત્રીજું લખો, what was Govinda sure about? તો લખો Govinda was sure that Chandni would accompany Abu Chacha till his last breath. ચોથું, till your last breath means? તો લખો till your last breath means till you die. છઠ્ઠાનો જવાબ લખીશું. પેલો પ્રશ્ન છે, what was ચાંદની attracted to? તો લખો ચાંદની was attracted towards the hills. બીજું, what did ચાંદની like about the hills? તો લખો ચાંદની liked the beautiful hills with refreshing breeze and green fields. ત્રીજું, why could ચાંદની not go to the hills? તો લખો ચાંદની could not go to the hills because she was tied with a rock. ચોથું, what did ચાંદની hate? તો લખો ચાંદની hated the rock around her neck. પાંચમું, every morning ચાંદની watched the hilltops shining in the tender sunlight. સાતમાનો જવાબ લખીશું. એમાં પેલું, why did ચાંદની become thin? તો લખો ચાંદની became thin because she lost her appetite and she stopped eating the green grass and tasty grains. બીજું, what did ચાંદની stare at? તો લખો ચાંદની stared at the hills bathing in the sunlight or playing with the clouds. ત્રીજું, why did ચાંદની stop eating? તો લખો ચાંદની stop eating because she wanted to go to the hills. લખો which word in the passage mean looked at? તો લખો stared અને slowly તો gradually. આઠમાનો જવાબ લખીશું. what did Abu Khan do? તો લખો Abu Khan put ચાંદની into a small hut and shut the door. બીજું, how did ચાંદની escape? તો લખો ચાંદની escaped through the open window in the hut. ત્રીજું, from where did ચાંદની escape? ચાંદની escape from the window. ચાલો હવે લખો નવમાનો જવાબ, what were ચાંદની's emotions when she reached the hilltop? તો when ચાંદની reached the hilltop, she was overflowing with joy and wonder. બીજું, what did ચાંદની feel? તો લખો ચાંદની felt as if she were meeting her mother after years of separation. અને ત્રીજું લખો, what did ચાંદની do? તો લખો ચાંદની jumped and played and eat all around. ચોથું, what did ચાંદની feel about Abu Khan's house? તો લખો ચાંદની felt that Abu Khan's house was a prison. લખો પછીનું describe the hilltop after sunset. તો લખો after sunset there was darkness on the hill, the wind stopped blowing and there was stillness all around. બીજું what did Chandni see in the moonlight? તો લખો Chandni saw two bright eyes and sharp teeth moving slowly towards in the moonlight. ત્રીજું what did the devil know? તો લખો the devil knew that the goat was his food. ચોથું name the bird mentioned in the passage. તો આવશે out. ચાલો હવે 11માનો જવાબ describe the wolf. તો લખો the wolf was big and ferocious. બીજું how did Chandni prepare for the fight? તો લખો Chandni stood firm on her legs, head slightly bent and her strong horns aimed at the devil. ત્રીજું what did Chandni look like? તો લખો Chandni looked like a brave soldier ready to fight a cruel enemy. ચોથું Chandni was small but not weak. પાંચમું write the opposite. coward તો લખો brave, kind તો કે cruel, gentle તો કે ferocious. હવે 12માનો જવાબ એમાં પેલું how long did the fight go on? તો લખો the fight went on through the night. લખો write two sentences that show the sun was about to rise. તો લખો પેલું the moon began to grow pale. બીજું the stars also disappeared one by one. હવે ત્રીજું what was Chandni's condition? તો લખો Chandni was lying on the ground completely soaked in blood. ચોથું which words in the passage means eat? તો લખો devil, dim તો કે pale અથવા faint. ચાલો હવે 13માનો જવાબ લખીશું. પેલું what were the birds debating? તો લખો the birds were debating the result on the fight. બીજું what did many birds feel? તો લખો many birds felt that the wolf was the winner. ત્રીજું according to a wise old bird who was the winner? તો લખો according to a wise old bird Chandni was a winner. હવે true false લખીશું. Kalwa was Abu Khan's son. તો લખો false. Abu Khan was sad because Kalwa had left him. True. ત્રીજું Kalwa had gone on the hill. તો કે true. ચોથું Abu Khan did not feed his goat properly. False. ચોથું Abu Khan named the new goat Chandni. True. છઠ્ઠું Govinda was Abu Khan's neighbor. તો કે true. Chandni brought happiness in Abu Khan's life. તો કે true. Abu Khan and Chandni could not live without each other. તો કે true. નવમું Chandni developed attraction for the forest. તો કે false. Chandni escaped from the door. તો કે false. Chandni was very happy on the hilltop. તો કે true. 12મું Chandni felt as if she were meeting her sister after years of separation. તો કે false. 13મું Chandni fought bravely with the wolf. તો કે true. અને at last Chandni lost her life. તો કે true. Question number 3. Complete the paragraph filling in the blanks with the appropriate word from the brackets. કૌંસમાંથી શબ્દ શોધી અને ફકરામાં વ્યવસ્થિત જવાબ આપણે લખવાના છે. The little boy was lost in the forest. He was scared. There was silence and stillness all around. Suddenly he said ferocious tiger in front of him. બીજામાં લખો Vivek was alone at home. He was feeling very sad because his family was not there with him. ત્રીજું Rudra's face looked pale. His voice was quite faint. He looked scared and weak too. ચોથું Mother accompanied Soham to the railway station. She stood at the platform till the train disappeared from her sight. There was tears in her eyes. 5. The leopard was sitting quietly on a distant tree. He was waiting for his prey. Suddenly, he saw a goat. He jumped down and struck it with his sharp claws. ચલો હવે છે question number 4. જોડકા જોડવાના છે. તો લખો yuck, how dirty this place is. તો એમાં લખો D expressing disgust. બીજું oh God, it's so dark here. તો લખો એમાં A expressing fear. ત્રીજું thank you so much for your help. તો લખો C exchanging pleasantry. બીજું I am glad to meet you. તો એમાં લખો C exchanging pleasantry. Alas, I failed in maths. તો લખો expressing sadness. What is it true? તો એમાં આવશે expressing surprise. 5મા પ્રશ્નનો જવાબ છે એમાં complete the sentence in choosing the correct option, focusing on the functions given in the brackets. લખો પેલું hooray, we won the match. એમાં આવશે D. Let's celebrate, expressing happiness. પછી બીજું how are you Mita? તો એમાં લખો C. I have met you. I am fine, thank you, exchanging pleasantry. ત્રીજું Stop shouting in the class. તેમાં આવશે I will punish you all, expressing anger. છઠ્ઠું હવે શું છે? Choose the right, the appropriate response to complete the conversations, focusing on the functions given in the brackets. પેલું છે Neeraj did not score good marks. તો એમાં લખો see he should focus more on his studies. બીજું જયા what do you do in the evening? તેમાં લખો I usually go for a walk in the evening. Frequency of action. પછી ત્રીજું અમર એમાં લખો B Hiten will take part in the race. પછી લખો સાતમું join the sentence using the appropriate conjunction from the bracket. Will you have tea? Will you have coffee? Will you have tea or coffee? બીજું Tara is absent. She is not well. તો લખો Tara is absent because she is not well. ત્રીજું go to your room, complete your homework. Go to your room and complete your homework. ચોથું Megha is clever. She does not like to study. Megha is clever but she does not like to study. પાંચમું father is busy. He will not come for lunch. તો લખો father is busy so he will not come for lunch. ચલો હવે શું છે? read the conversation between Neeraj and Jay and answer the question. ડાયલોગ વાંચવાના છે અને એના ઉપરથી આપણે પ્રશ્ન જવાબ લખવાના છે. who like music? તો લખો Neeraj likes music. બીજું for what has Amar won a gold medal? તો લખો Amar has won a gold medal for the rifle shooting. ત્રીજું what are Jay's hobbies? તો લખો painting and photography are Jay's hobbies. ચોથું what do Neeraj and Jay both like? તો લખો Neeraj and Jay both like photography. પાંચમું Neeraj is Amar's elder brother. True or false? તો આવશે true. ચાલો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો આગળ પ્રશ્ન નંબર 10 જો write a paragraph in about 100 words on my pet. તો લખો my pet લખો my pet is a cute little cat. She is called Rabi. Rabi is white in color. She has round brown eyes. Rabi has been living in my house since she was a kitten. She likes to drink milk. Rabi is a fun-loving cat. She likes to play in the garden. When I take her to the garden in the evening, she enjoys chasing birds. She also likes to climb up and down the trees. Rabi does not like dogs, but she is quite fond of my neighbor's pet dog, Buzo. They enjoy playing with each other. When Rabi is tired, she likes to sleep on the rocking chair in my room. ચાલો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો આજના વિડીયો લેક્ચરમાં આટલું જ. જો તમને આ વિડીયો ગમ્યો તો લાઈક કરશો, તમારા મિત્રો સાથે શેર કરશો અને મારી ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ પણ કરશો. આવજો.